blood clot DJ for me shut a selector boy.
Gang. You already know what time it is on YouTube. Gang, you see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're back in our building and you don't know. The saga continue, the war continue, the clash continue. You know, so nobody not happy like we went like. Happy like we like when war are gone. We they are back with none other than Labas himself. And I guess he link up with Collect the Bread. And they want to name Duppy link up. Look like you are not done. Canicla Malia go at it, dog. I'ma love it. Guys, let me know in the comment section. What do you think about the war so far? You see me I say, what do you think about Mali? What do you think about Canicla? How you think the war itself are going? More and more light in the comment section, because we there for it, don't it? Yeah, man. Canicla link up, Collect the Bread, one name Duppy link up. Before we even jump in there, bro, look at the thumbnail. We see this Mali. Jai lock. Look at gunshot in our forehead and more soap. Soap in more. When I say chat too much and soap in more after and dead and in here. Okay. Him see and chat too much. That's what I say? Alright, we don't know. But how this over here so? After that, how that we don't know. We're gonna see what I want still. But hey, me not lie. Yeah man, the cover art look grimy already. Duppy link up. So this is Mali, that means the other Duppy are somebody will Mali link up with. I'm gonna find out what I want. Let's jump in the track. Canicla, Duppy link up, Mali this, let's get it.
Feeling no safe in a group, I shoot and no nothing for me kill a little youth. Granny see my rope on wall and boot. Head too big for me miss when me shoot.
I feel like no safe in a group, I shoot. Whoa, hold on, bro. Me even like. The headphones are now not do it for me. These headphones not doing it for me, gang. Hold on. Let me get this shit sorted out, gang. Cause I don't know what I'm going to say, no. These not doing it for me, gang. Make sure I say the mic and everything good. Yeah. Everything capacitic and nice. We should be good now. Canicla. Alright, let's get it.
See me nigga them a foot, we a killer them a crook. Bring your rifle them out, left his spinners in a bush.
Whoa, we are taking from the top now, no. It's a connect now, everything a connect now, come in.
Feeling no safe in a group, I shoot and no nothing for me kill a little youth. Granny see my rope on wall and boot.
Man say, feel like no safe in a group, I shoot. And no nothing for me kill a little youth. Raw NSC and my rope on wall? What?
Rope on wall and boot.
What that did I say?
And you see my rope on wall and boot. Head too big for me miss when me shoot. See me nigga them a foot, we a killer them a crook. Bring your rifle them out, left his spinners in a bush. Informer me done.
Mali man say head too big for me when he man shoot it, brother. The man say head coming like a clear target.
Bring your rifle them out, left his spinners in a bush. Informer me done see what him a do. Make a statement for the feds in a probably. But in a real life that is a singer with a book.
The man say informer, we done see what him a do. Make a statement for it. Alright. See, Canicla try confirm, a lot of people try speculate, you know. A lot of people try say, yo, I'm a Mali, I try informer to make feds run in pan the dog and sit, you know.
Make a statement for the feds in a probably. But in a real life, that is a singer with a book where fire shot in the sky and lock him and even look. What make you left your place where you can't?
But in a real life, that is just a singer with a book. We are going to.
But in a real life, that is a singer with a book where fire shot in the sky and lock him and even look. What make you left your place where you can't put a foot?
Then for the shot in the sky and lock him, yeah, I can't even look. Man, man say afraid. He man say afraid of gunshot. He man say afraid of a gunshot sound. He man say you can't bust in the sky, but he man say you lock your eye when you bust it. I say, Mali, I say you bust gun. I say, I know me say so. I can't class say some bitchy. Go at you.
In a station that ball till him puke. Me know how I hype them. Must see me see a dead friend, I want join them. No. Plan up but I go get a disappointment. Nobody no fuck round my mate. Sing facts dog, the freak talk, no bring that.
Tell me now know who are. Must see true you miss a dead friend, I want join them. Oh my gosh.
Friend I want join them. No. Plan up but I go get a disappointment. Nobody no fuck round my mate. Sing facts dog, the freak talk, no bring that. Remember Tony and pussy and trim locks. Remember Rivali you go and
say you plan up, make a disappoint your youth. Nobody bring a freaky talk to me. Remember say, Otto, I'm front and chimney relax, you know. Oh, God.
Nobody no fuck round my mate. Sing facts, dog, the freak talk, no bring that. Remember Tony and pussy and trim locks. Remember Rivali, you go and get big box. Bust me boss said look in the like inbox. They do not go dead, we don't know gear bring it.
Mali, you got Rivali go get box, brother. Mali, you get box now? Mali, you get box.
Bring back, glad chronic board, pull back and
I know that the dog say. What dog say?
remember Rivali, you go and get big box. Bust me boss said look in the like inbox. They do not go dead, we don't know gear bring it ring back. Glad chronic board, pull back and no slingshot. Me see this as joke, I saw him clash. You know see all of my songs him and sing back. Still a bleed billets and
The man say, yo, me see this as a joke. You see me all of my lyrics, the dog sing back to blood cleat. Weird. So 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Chan, okay.
back and no slingshot. Me see this as joke, I saw him clash. You know see all of my songs him and sing back. Still a bleed billets and perform with shot. Play with fire, you get burned. We live mad, nothing don't see if we kill boy, we kill girl. Shoot
Still I build hits and I perform with shot boy. Hey.
get burned, we live mad. Nothing don't see if we kill boy, we kill girl. Shoulda leave war, you dead front, you involved. Why do this a idiot fam?
No see if we kill boy and we kill girl, you know. Yeah, man, you're dead friend a war, you can involve yourself, brother.
Boy, we kill girl, shoulda leave war, you dead front, you involved. Why do this a idiot fam? Remember foreign you go meet squash man. Wanna be a puppet, wanna be a little Dan. Remember you is a blood clot fan.
Always aim for do things.
Man say, yo, okay, idiot about. Where's that foreign you go meet squash man, you know? And the man say, a foreign I first time you link with squash. Jeez and peace. And me kind of believe it, you know, because when Mali boss squash, he already there foreign. I'm not thinking that come back a yard since then time there. Till the time when me see Mali over here and he link up squashing at the little video and he asks that, holy shit. Oh, okay, alright.
Involved. Why do this a idiot fam? Remember foreign you go meet squash man. Wanna be a puppet, wanna be a little Dan. Remember you is a blood clot fan.
Always aim for do things out of box like all 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 them one they say some different type of thing and me have a pre. So me patronize them man.
Shut up. Out this so nobody no lucky.
Oh, man, on your file, I say, remember, say, it's funny, no, brother. Remember, say, you was a little groupie, you know, brother. Oh, you want to come go like you want to run up against the G all of a sudden. You figure, use a groupie, Mali. Use a group, use a fan. I know me says I squash this, so still good. But go on, Joe.
Remember you is a blood clot fan.
The classes, so still, I know me.
Me always aim for do things out of box like all 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 them one they say some different type of thing and me have a pre. So me patronize them man.
Shut up. Out this so nobody no lucky. This so left a bag of Duppy. This so that a blood and never catch up. Just see the prayers man did them man.
Say, cutty this, so nobody no lucky this, so that a blood and no catch up, brother. He man, I got.
So nobody no lucky. This so left a bag of Duppy. This so that a blood and never catch up. Just see the prayers man did them man look for set up. Smarty them man look for jaw. But listen when me I tell you little boy. Bag of pillar fuck with the memories. So tell me now you is a fan or you is a enemy. Been fucking up your ground and that a bring me jealousy. One love.
Mali say, bag of pill, brother. I must have a memory, me G. Say, you take pill, Mali, because me as I wonder about the name, then you take pill. Eh? When I say, oh, me know what I go on, come like you pill and me super memory, is a fan or enemy. What I go on there, me no know. Where you depend? You two, are you switchy, you know? Holy shit. If 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 ever say, yeah, real switchy, that would be crazy.
But listen when me I tell you little boy. Bag of pillar fuck with the memories. So tell me now you is a fan or you is a enemy. Been fucking up your ground and that a bring me jealousy. One law now live off and no man in no Jimmy Rise. None of them a chip. All of them a fish. Take bait, take press, nobody no sick. Headshot.
Man say, one law blah blah and live off and no man energy. You see me Rise gonna every one of them chip. And the whole of them a fish.
None of them a chip, all of them a fish. Take bait, take press, nobody no sick. Headshot, chest play, none of them no miss. Maro man pick out a side, do no pick. Hey, pass me the Glock with the color rubber.
Say, Maro man pick out a side, do no pick. Oh gosh, the line they tough.
No miss. Maro man pick out a side, do no pick. Hey, pass me the Glock with the color rubber grip. Run out a clip, better run and never quit. First me see killer's eye back a weak fence. Bet when him dead, them a say I never owe a link. Tell Joe, make space, you soon see 𝐿𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 suffering.
I force me was a killer's eye back a weak fence. Bet you say what he did, they say.
Run out a clip, bet he run and never quick. First me see killers eye back a weak fence. Bet when him dead, them I say I never owe a link. Tell Joe, make space, you soon see Hellgates of friends. You want link, you soon see them face. Bow switch, get liar for J-man case. Bow kill, who no try that straight and fail. Bow bad, when the wall out no run from beer. Oh God, big pussy in a gunman place. First man, Fred shot time friend, you no weird. And I saw no hide, Joe shades when no scared. When no shaky, must be a grandpa can't trick. Nobody bow, we kill my dog. Rent them a pay for them life and we know the landlord. Joe shades when no scared. When no shaky, must be a grandpa can't trick. Nobody bow, we kill my dog. Rent them a pay for them life and we know the landlord. Badness a one dog.
Like man, say them a pay for them life and we know the landlord. We know. Molly, you playing extortion, Maggie? For protection, Maggie?
We know the landlord, badness a one dog.
Yeah, for me, I know that, bro. I say shot me account to make when my cycle and get it time, just do the right thing and see prayer.
Thank you, Zach.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Weird.
Bro, I say shot.
No, can't you just drop a bomb? Molly, you have extortion, that's what I try to cut.
Rent them a pay for them life and we know the landlord, badness a one dog.
Yeah, for me, I know that, bro. I say shot me account to make when my cycle and get it time, just do the right thing and see prayer.
Thank you, Zach.
When you write,
Man say shot your account, so when me say come, me just do the right thing. Yo, Molly, yeah, for your extortion, me G, that's quite an accusation. And you say you're a bad man? What is going on? Huh? What is going on? We need, Molly, you have to come address that. You have to come address that. You see me? You have to come address that GPS that and send that. We need to know what's going on, brother. You have to address GPS, PO box. You see me? I say email address, everything. We need to know what's going on, Molly. What? Okay, you say a bad boy? I go like say, yo, eh? I say I be a rifle and all these things and you can defend things and anyway, gang, we not get into that. I can't say that and me that. Anyway, again, we know one thing about the one in the comment section. As you if you like it, definitely gonna show us some art, some love and support. Drop your comments. And we know one thing about the war, who will lead, all that stuff. You see me? Drop your comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up and let's get active. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector boy.